Good morning, everyone. All right, little cup of tea. Let's make this as brief and concise as possible. I am on chapter 5 of a book that I'm writing on the UFO UAP phenomena. Chapter 6 covers two main topics that I want to mention publicly. I want to be known that I'm phrasing the question this way first in the public media. All right. Chapter 6 is on what would war or a hostile engagement with the UFO UAPs look like. And I go into detail how, given this level of technology, given the ability to travel instantly from Mach 0 to Mach 20 or 30 and to make rapid turns on it, to go transmedium from the air to orbit, from the orbit to air, from air to sea, and onto land, given the amounts of energy expended, implying a great level of power generation beyond an internal combustion engine or rocket. I believe that any sort of fight with these aliens would be short-lived. We would lose and we could be wiped out. All it would take is taking a few rocks from orbit, accelerating them and dropping them on this planet. A large asteroid 6 to 12 miles across hitting the Earth wiped out the dinosaurs. 75% of life on Earth went extinct. 1/3 of all life on the planet went extinct. One or 2/3. It was a pretty bad event. Tunguska was 120 to 160 feet wide. It was an airburst, and its blast ranged over 800 miles radius and destroyed something like 80 million trees. All right. So just simply taking stones from the asteroid belt and lobbing them at our planet at high speed would devastate everything. If you took a baseball-sized chunk of rock and accelerated it to relativistic speeds approaching the speed of light, you could literally wipe out all life on the planet. Fast enough, big enough rock, fast enough trajectory, wipe out the planet. Furthermore, if you have a UAP drone traveling at Mach 20 with, 12 ounces of antimatter in it, and it crashes with the ground, I can't even calculate how much energy that would be, but here's something that I heard from both physics textbooks and also from physicists here young people studying physics. One projection is that the Big Bang involved the energy you would get if roughly 25 pounds of matter and antimatter came together at once. 25 pounds. So, 12 ounces, about a pound. So these UAPs, if we ever had to fight a war with them, it wouldn't last very long. It wouldn't be a war, it would be a rout, a slaughter, a genocide. Or if they took their time, rather speedy defeat plus an occupation. So they haven't. There's a lot they could, anybody, if this was Russian drones, Chinese drones, anybody possessing this level of technology possesses not just flight capability, but tremendous power generation, tremendous destructive capacity, tremendous industrial capacity, which, to be honest with you, the Russians and the Chinese and no one else has demonstrated. We haven't. We've got the most advanced destructive and industrial capacity on the planet, and we can't make drones like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call this the Belida Paradox. All right, I'm naming it after myself. Why? Well, because I don't see anyone else asking the question this way. Belida's Paradox. Given the ease and the ability of a group possessing UAP technology to destroy, dominate, or colonize this world, and the fact that they haven't, why haven't they? Let me state that again. I'm going to read that out loud. Belida's Paradox, or the Belida Paradox. Given the ease and ability of a group possessing UAP technology and UAP level technology to destroy, dominate, or colonize this world, and the fact that they haven't, why haven't they? Conversely, why are they here? What do they want? That's actually the subject of my book. I'm talking about some of the actions these things have taken, the behaviors they've demonstrated, the interactions that they've had, and only the verified ones, strong cases, things like the Navy and Pentagon records, things verified by radar, camera, and observer, and from multiple radars, multiple cameras, multiple observers on the ground, on ships, and in the air, all at the same time. Okay, I actually believe a lot of information is being relayed to us about them by that, and that's why I'm writing this book. So that's actually my short message for today. I'm very excited about this book. It's kind of tiring, mentally tiring writing this. I'll have to think things through and come back and erase something and rewrite it, edit it, spell check it. I've had many injuries to my hands over the years, so when I'm typing on the laptop, there's a lot of errors. I often just forget to put a space in, and I have to go back and tediously put everything and edit it, do spell check, and so on and so forth. But it's moving along. I'm on chapter 6, and I'm wrapping it up. I'm wrapping up chapter 6. I don't know how many chapters total. I think I'm probably going to wind up with 10 to 12 maybe. But if I can say it in fewer words, I will. Which sounds unusual for me. You guys have watched my videos, right? I like to talk. Anyway, hope you all have a wonderful day, and I hope I get this book done and published. If any of you are literary agents or publishers looking for this kind of material, contact me. And don't forget the Belida Paradox. All right, have a nice day.